There is a very clear difference between being in politics and doing politics, between holding a position and fulfilling that position. Manfred Weber does politics and, moreover, fulfill their duties. And he does so with a virtue that is hard to find in these times of noise and fury, and even less so in those who lead from the top. Before making decisions, Manfred Weber is a person who listens. And that seems simple in these times. And it's not easy, and it's what has him to preside over the European People's Party for 2 terms and to lead the group in the European Parliament for the 4th time, and to become one of the most experienced and respected politicians in Brussels and Europe today, with 182 MEPs under his leadership and 13 prime ministers, and I hope so, 14 in a few months, because I hope so that we are going to have the next Prime Minister in Spain, Alberto Núñez Feijóo. So, he's leading this huge group in the Parliament and leading the EPP, the People's Party. And you have here today one of the leaders who makes the decisions that matter in Europe. But don't just look at the power he represents, but at how he managed. For the European People's Party, listening, dialogue, and consensus are a philosophy. Europe was not built on impositions, but on dialogue. And in a fragmented parliament, where every vote is negotiated, winning without abandoning principles is what distinguishes Manfred.